Hi, I'm Steve Howe, and I'm here to describe some of the features of one of our Editor's Choice green candidates this year. This is a pad by Pacific Outdoor. It's called the Ether Ecothermal 6. It's an inflatable air mattress with spun insulation inside the tubes in order to prevent convection currents that would cool a pad on cold surfaces. And what makes it an environmental product is the fact that it's constructed entirely of carbonized bamboo. Both the fabric, the outer fabric, and the insulation within it is made of bamboo that has been treated through extreme heat processes to break down the initial cellulose, and then they turn it into a type of polyester. That carbonized bamboo process avoids a lot of the acid leaching and chemical processes that are used in many bamboo fibers. And in addition to that, Pacific Outdoor uses, for example, recycled aluminum on the valve. This is a prototype valve. It has a plastic cover, but the others will be recycled aluminum. And also, they actually purchase what are called green tag carbon credits to offset some of the carbon dioxide emissions and pollution that's created by the transport and packaging of this pad. In use, it's a perfectly good pad. It seems that it's very tough. It's quite comfortable. It's a little bit narrow. Technically, it's a 20-inch wide by 72-inch pad, which is standard. But the strong taper at the top and the foot end makes it seem a little narrow, but it's quite comfy. Haven't noticed any cold coming up from the bottom in this fairly chilly conditions. And the big question for most people, the most potential buyers, is it worth it or not? At the moment, a lot of these processes and these green tag certifications are fairly expensive. This pad in a men's version is $150. In a women's version, which is slightly shorter, it's $145. And we can't make that decision for most people, but one of the reasons why we want to give this an Editor's Choice Green Award is because it's the beginning of a trend we'd like to see continue. And as the economies of scale get better and more processes like this are used, the price will come down more. But at present, we think that this is honest green choice, that Pacific Outdoors worked really hard to try and absolutely minimize the impact footprint of this pad. And in the field, it works.